gonna recommend that you get in your SUV. You can't just stick somebody in a locked box. Oh, you feeling real good, aren't you? I'm already detained.
The 7th of April, 2023. A bridge in St. Augustine, Florida. A single officer responds to a call about a woman shouting at a child in public, and within minutes, what should have been a 5-minute welfare check turns into one of the longest fights of his shift. By the end of the night, 2 people would leave.
I'm Officer Kinney. I'm with the St. Augustine. Okay, I'm with the St. Augustine Police Department. I don't have a problem with you. I don't know you.
Right.
I don't know your little boy here.
Yes.
Okay. But
I'm being confronted, undocumented, for no reason. Like
I'm sorry. Can you 10-9?
St. Augustine is hit or miss, whether or not you hit evil or you hit good.
If someone can start rolling this way, just code 1, just because I'm in the middle of traffic holding everything up. So because of where we're at right now, what I'm just asking is if you and I can just have an adult conversation.
I'm always up for adult conversation.
All right. Would you prefer to walk that way?
I would prefer to have documentation of your copies of record.
Okay.
Of the complaints.
Okay, well, I've gotten 2 phone calls so far. Okay.
I would love documentation.
Okay, well, I can't provide that to you right now in the middle of the bridge, okay? I'd be more than happy to get that to you, but what I'm wondering is, for our safety and for the vehicles...
Do you think we're unsafe right now? On this fucking solid brick?
Here, I've got... You're cussing at me.
Am I cussing?
Yes.
How have I cussed at you?
Okay.
When have I cussed at you? Because I feel
You've been using the F word ever since I got here.
Really?
Is there a problem?
Can you replay that?
Yes, I can, but not right now.
Because I haven't used that word at all.
Okay, sweetie, are you okay?
So you are the problem.
Okay.
Okay, so get back in your
I'm going to
Right now, this is still just a conversation. No crime has been announced. No one's under arrest. Legally, the officer only needs 2 things to justify being here at all: a report from someone else, and his own observations once he arrives. Both boxes are already checked. What happens next depends entirely on what she does in the next few minutes.
I'm going to recommend that you get in your SUV. Because you are making shit up that is not happening. And I will contact my lawyer.
Okay.
You cannot resist us.
Okay.
You want to be a cop right now? Go right ahead.
Yeah,
we will wait it out.
I'm thinking she's gonna fight. So
it's not a fight.
Okay.
It's a ground.
Well, I mean, so here's
because she was interfering with my opening.
Yeah.
How was I
Okay. Sweetheart.
Ooh, witchcraft.
Sweetheart,
Ooh,
are you okay? You're not okay. Okay.
Is that documented?
Okay.
Is that documented for court? Is that documented for court? Is it documented for court? Because that's what we're talking about. What are we doing?
We're going to put you in handcuffs.
For what? Are we just going to talk?
We'll get there.
We're detaining you right now.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
We're going to get out of all these nice people's ways. We're going to talk to your little boy, see why he's so upset.
Everybody on this bridge is nice? You vetted them? You sure they're not
No, you're absolutely right. Maybe they are.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
But ever since we've been talking, you've been cussing at me?
No, I have not.
Yes, you have.
Please review the tape.
Because
that's not true.
There's one of us that's not drunk here, and it's me. Okay?
I am not drunk.
Okay.
I am buzzed, and I am happy, and I've been enjoying my day. And I have not cussed at you once.
You want to get on here? We can get off.
Let's get off the bridge. If you, yes.
Replay the tape right now before we leave. Stay still.
I'll let him get in front with me.
Okay.
Stay
Perfect.
still.
Thank you.
Before we replay the
Could you step
tape.
over for me?
Because I have not cussed
step over.
Come on.
Until you admit that I have not cussed at you once, I'm not.
Would you please?
Can you please just...
No, I'm not. You'll have to carry me, bro. I'm not going nowhere.
Just don't kick me, okay?
I would love to. I'm not going to.
I'm a nice guy. You don't want to.
Are you? Well, she's not a nice girl. She's a f***ing corrupt cop. Do you understand?
Here, stand her up.
She can
Stand up.
follow you, molest
Okay.
all the f***ing time.
Go, just
Just no, I'm not stepping into the f***ing truck for no f***ing reason. Why am I being arrested?
Get the other side.
Tell me.
Just get in
No,
there.
no.
Listen,
I'm
come on,
not.
please.
No.
Please.
You have to tell me why I am being arrested. First,
Just
you
arrest
have
me.
to read me my Miranda rights. You can't just stick somebody in a locked house for no reason. I was on the side of the easy check. You will pay for this.
I'm sorry, buddy. Hey, she's okay, okay? Just get in the car. Will you come over
Notice
here
what
and
she's
hang?
demanding here, her Miranda rights, and notice that it doesn't apply the way she thinks it does. Miranda only kicks in once police start questioning someone in custody. It's not a requirement to explain an arrest on the spot. Whether this detention was lawful is a separate question, and it's about to get tested because she's not done fighting it.
Open your front door! Open your front door!
Get it.
Open the car. Open the car. Hold on the ground.
Grab you by the cunt, you fucking motherfuckers. You fucking fuckers. Don't mace me now. You gonna mace a fucking 5 foot, 3 foot girl? For what? Fucking walking across the bridge? You!
We got her, Jack.
Zach, you've got handcuffs?
Get her.
Yeah, good luck. Getting them fucking together.
Get her legs.
Yeah,
Get her hand.
She's holding first.
Yeah, why are you rude? You know this is on the car, right?
Her hands are good.
Gonna fucking look at me. Oh God, you guys are piece
Joey,
of
here,
fucking
grab the shackle.
fucking shit. Your shit stinks so bad. It's so heartbreaking. It's so heartbreaking. It's all correct.
We're still trying to get her under control.
I'm gonna get her in the car.
Jesus, take my baby from me. Yes, I will resist.
Let's get her in the car, and we'll get these on. It'll be so much easier. Okay?
Yes.
The corrupt police that you are. You are out for every motherfucker. I hope you
Lift her up. I'm stuck. Lift her up. She's got me wrapped around her. Get off me!
Like really?
Get off me!
Are you nervous?
We need to get her shackled.
What is her deal?
Yeah, what is all this deal? What is this deal? Because I told you the truth?
Hurry up, go.
No, tell him to let go of me.
Get off my leg! Right there. Hold on.
I will trade my life for another. You asshole.
Fucking hell.
I can't wait till you fucking go to
She needs to be
court.
hobbled
I
and
will
placed in that
fucking-
car. We can't lift her up one more time.
You fucking for the wrong bitch and her baby. You for what? For what?
Where's Embry?
He's got the kid.
Alright.
Yeah,
We pick her up on all four sides and we'll just throw her in there.
Yes.
Someone grab the legs, two of
Yes.
us grab the front, and we'll just throw her in there.
Can we get this wrapped around her? No, I'm doing it differently. Even if you have to tie it up more.
Yeah, what's I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Why? I'm treated like a animal in the first place.
This is the moment the case changes. Up to now, everything on this bridge could still be argued as a misunderstanding. But active, physical resistance against officers during a lawful detention is its own separate crime in Florida, and every second this continues, the list of charges she's facing grows longer.
There hasn't even been an exchange of conversation.
We check her while she's down. We search her
God, I
enough.
cannot wait till Morgan and Morgan talk about this.
Ready? One.
I really get
Got coming in.
You are losing your mind, bro. You.
Okay. Got her?
Go f yourselves. Get the f off of me, pervert.
Stop.
You stop. You can't f force me. F do whatever the f I want. I'm in the f cab. Oh, you feeling real good, aren't you? I'm already f detained, you f pervert.
You want to fuck me in the face one more time?
Oh, you want to f detain me for no f***ing asshole? Oh.
Stop hitting me.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Fucking detaining me for
Can you
some
grab my glasses?
reason. Pervert.
You still have the handcuff.
What?
She still got the handcuff.
Oh, back.
Ooh,
Get the
bitch,
handcuff
you
on her
like it
hand.
rough?
Get the handcuff on her hand.
Yeah, what is this for? Oh,
We're gonna
oh my
have to dump her
god.
out. We're gonna have to dump her back
Fuck
out.
going on.
Hey,
Hey, grab my glasses and shit right there.
We're gonna have to dump her back out.
She needs to
Grab
be
her
called.
legs. She can only kick us from here. Grab the shackles.
Grab her legs. Grab her shackles for what?
You got that on?
Because you don't f***ing know what to do with an unbounded soul. One that can't be bought. Like you. You all are f***ing bought. You f***ing bots. You f***ing bots.
She's not shackled.
You are not.
She's shackled, but her hands.
What? Are her
You're
hands attached to her
fucking
feet?
bots.
No.
Yeah.
You fucking
No,
bots.
they're not.
I got
It
two
is
shackles.
fucking so heartbreaking that you
I got
really
it.
sold your souls of America for
I got
fucking what? A
Yeah, but if
draw
she's shackled from her feet to her
interaction?
hands anymore.
No.
For what?
Hold on.
You know this is all recorded. And the shit that you were
Yeah.
saying,
Yeah.
Is my hat over there?
ooh, is not true.
I don't see it.
Bitch, I cannot wait till you rot in hell.
Got it.
Treat me like an animal. My son has a witness.
Yeah, we're good, we're good.
We're not good, you piece of
She ain't on time now. She got Stop acting up! Stop! Stop acting up!
I'm gonna
Stop!
out of the way.
Stop!
For no reason.
Stop!
Let go.
You
Fuck you.
stop, you fucking shit.
I got this arm. You got that arm?
Yeah.
Oh, you got that arm? Oh, you're so strong.
How's she fucking sliding out of these things?
Oh, you're so strong.
Tight as you can. We'll double
Oh, you're
handcuff
so
her.
strong. Why am I being arrested again? And treated like a f***ing animal?
Double handcuff her.
No, don't handcuff her.
Put another handcuff.
No, because she knows her rights. And you guys don't know what to f***ing do with an unbounded soul. You're like, I don't know what to do with her. Because she's going to f***ing sue the f*** out of us and f*** our families over. And that's her livelihood. Well, that's your f***ing karma. You f***ing piece of shit.
We'll have to follow you for sure.
I'm just going straight to the jail.
This case is really two stories stacked on top of each other. A low-level public intoxication call that any officer handles a dozen times a year, and a resisting arrest case that turned into a multi-officer physical fight, and the line between those two stories was drawn entirely by her choices, not the police. Florida law allows an officer to make a full custodial arrest for a misdemeanor committed in his presence, and disorderly intoxication is exactly that kind of offense. The U.S. Supreme Court settled the broader question in Atwater v. Lago Vista, 2001. Even a minor fine-only offense can lawfully result in a full arrest, not just a citation. The footage shows the officer building his case in real time, multiple 911 calls, a visibly distressed juvenile, and her own conduct on scene. That's more than enough under the Fourth Amendment to justify detaining her for further investigation, and it's the same conduct that carries the case into an arrest a few minutes later. Once she began actively resisting pulling away, refusing to enter the vehicle, opening doors, the legal standard shifts under Graham v. Connor, 1989. Courts weigh the severity of the crime, the immediate threat to officers, and whether the person is actively resisting or fleeing. Here, the underlying offense was minor, but her active physical resistance is the factor that does the most legal work. It's what justifies officers using increasing physical control, including a takedown and double cuffing, to secure her safely. The footage shows officers repeatedly trying non-escalatory methods, verbal commands, repositioning before resorting to more forceful holds. According to the case information, Katie Murray was initially charged with 3 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, 1 count of resisting an officer with violence, and 1 count of disorderly intoxication. It's worth repeating, a charge is an accusation, not a conviction. At this point in the footage, none of these allegations had been proven in court, and as it turned out, the case would eventually look quite different from how it started. Before sentencing, the battery on a law enforcement officer counts were reduced to simple battery, and resisting with violence was reduced to resisting without violence. On the 9th of August 2024, she entered a no-contest plea on all 5 counts and was adjudicated guilty across the board. She was sentenced to 364 days in county jail and fined approximately $1,569. Her repeated demand to be read her Miranda rights is a common misunderstanding worth clearing up. Miranda only applies once police begin custodial interrogation, asking questions designed to get an incriminating response. It is not a requirement before or during an arrest itself, and officers aren't obligated to recite it just because someone asks. Lesson 1. A citizen complaint plus an officer's own observations is often enough to justify police involvement, even when no one has technically broken the law yet. 2. Physical resistance during a lawful detention can turn a minor, fine-only offense into a felony-level case. The underlying charge stops being the biggest legal problem. 3. Demanding your Miranda rights doesn't work the way TV suggests. It's not a magic phrase that stops an arrest. 4. What starts as a 5-minute welfare check can end in a criminal case that takes over a year to resolve. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty, and charges described here are allegations, not findings of guilt.